Going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you'll be changing out your switches on a Jeep Cherokee, pretty much probably from about the 2014 up until about the 2021. Basically, your switches where your lock is at and your window controls. All you have to do basically is go to the edge of it and kind of lift up on it like that. And once you do that, this whole piece right here will come out. Your whole control switch will come out just like that. Then all you gotta do is go back to the back. There's like a little tab right here that you just want to press on. And once you press on that tab, just like that, this whole piece right here will come loose off of this Jeep Cherokee. This happens to be a I think this is a 2017, but it's the same probably from about the 2014 to about the 2021 pretty much. But this is how you would change out your door switch on it. You just kind of want to lift up on it. If you see right here, it's like these little things kind of stick out on each side. So you lift up on the edge, it'll just pop out. And all you got to do pretty much is unplug it from the power source, and you'll be able to change this switch out. A lot of times these switches can go bad over time, like stuff can spill in it and make it not work correctly. So you made it change out this master switch. The same thing goes for if you want to change out on, say, one of the door switches. It's the same process pretty much. You just pick up on the edge of it and pick it up, and this whole thing will come out. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out a switch on a Jeep Cherokee from about the 2014 up until about the 2021. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.